Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we're going to be talking about this posting by Sawyer, and we're actually going to go over maybe every single one that's mentioned here to see if it is true on the just like at the Tesla websites. So here are all the promotions Tesla is currently running in the US. So 3 free months of supercharging, take delivery of and Model S, Model 3, Model X, and Model Y by August 15th in middle month. That's kind of weird. Also, free FSD transfer if take delivery by September 30th. Usually it's the end of the month, right? So, and 1.99% for a Model Y financing rate if take delivery by September 30th. And the fourth one would be free paint option for Model 3 Performance, and seating layout options for Model X all-wheel drive if you add FSD to your order, and to help qualify for the federal EV credit. So we're gonna check out one by one. So let's check out with the first one, which is the 3 months. So we go to the Tesla website and we're gonna see. So here I have, usually when you go to the Tesla website, let's go back to the beginning. So this is pretty much the beginning here, right? So you got like 3 different types of, actually 4 different types of vehicles. So they have like the rear wheel drive right here. You see it's like 272 miles, 5.8 second 0-60. And now they have the long range rear wheel drive. You can see the mileage is 363. Looks like Tesla just added the rear wheel drive here, back. And then you got the long range, which is 341, but it's faster. And then you got the performance, right? So go down. Usually if you add all this together, somewhere on here it should tells you about the 3 free months of supercharging, but I'm not seeing it anywhere here. So let's see if we can add it. It says right here, if you scroll down right here, say all paint configurations are included with purchase of full self-driving. So I guess if we add this one right here, let's try it and see if that is the case. And the interior color, you can see, wow, that is included too. Usually what, $1,000. And if you add this together, the full self-driving, and it still shows that you still qualify for the 7,500 tax credit, which is awesome. So this is the long range, right? All-wheel drive, and we need to click on all the details here. So look at the performance here. You can see the $54,990. The ultra red paint is included, which is awesome, and 20-inch wheel. Black and white premium interior, usually there's a charge for that. And full self-driving, $8,000. And then your vehicle price is what, $62,990. How is that even possible to qualify? I thought it was supposed to be under $55,000, unless something changed. Because right now, look at this. In the end, 62,000 minus that, you know, it's about what, 55,000, because you really don't look at the gas savings there. But then wow, that's surprisingly just. So the Model 3 Performance, if you add all that up, it's like what, 64,000, but after the federal tax credit, it's 57. That is really weird, because this is weird. But if that's the case, you know what I mean, then the limit is not at 55,000 anymore. They increase it, right? But either way, it is what it is, you know. So you can get all this, and if you add the full self-driving, so that basically makes the full self-driving about what, like 5,000, because you get the $2,000 for the red paint, and then $1,000 for the white interior. So you ended up with saving yourself $3,000. So yeah, but hey, if that's the case, good. So we can try, maybe let's say try the long range to see if that's the case as well too. So the long range, it doesn't show anything about the colors. like you still got to pay $2,000, and you go to the white interior, you got to pay $1,000. But let's see, what if we? Oh, this one's already added in there, and then it's to show. So let's go see what just the regular one, and see what is the price detail for this one. So $47,490. Red color is $2,000. Black interior $1,000. And full self-driving all together is $58,000 minus that. So you get about $50,000. Right, the other 57. So in the end, only $5,000 difference. So I don't know. So it is up to you guys to pick whichever you guys want to go with. But again, the federal tax credit, now they increase it. It used to be has to be under 55,000. Maybe now all vehicles qualified. Let's check out the rear-wheel drives to see if that's the case. No, this one, it just says the 5-year gas savings. So only the rear-wheel drive doesn't get anything, but the long-range rear-wheel drive will qualify as well too. So here you can see that 2,000, 1,000. Add all that up with the full self-driving in it, right? And let's see how much is it. Detail. 42,000 minus plus 2,000, 3,000 come out to be what? 53,000 minus 7,500. You get 45,000. Ended up with 47,000 after federal tax. So if anything, the performance would have been way better. But this one, it does have full self-driving too, so not bad. All right, but there's nowhere on here it says anything about the 3 months of full self-driving. So maybe it hasn't been updated on the website, right? So let's go to the we're gonna check on this one. So far we don't know yet, and then but we can check on the Model Y to see if it's really 1.99% financing. So to do that, we're gonna go back to the main website, and we're going here. As you can see here, Model Y 1.99% APR financing is ending in August 31st. So I think you have to order by August 31st, and you got to pick up by September 30th. So let's go through the process and find out. So long range Model Y, we got 3 versions: long range rear wheel drive, and then you got a long range all wheel drive, and then you got the performance. Right. So let's go with the performance. See what it says. Seth Gray. This color is 2000. Tow hitch. White 1.5 there. As we add the full self-driving to see if all those things will change. So it says here, your performance all-wheel drive, quicksilver paint right here. It tells me that it is they have like many similar designs to the one I just picked, and now it's available if I wanted now. So the top one is quicksilver 48,000. This one estimated delivery July to August, and they have one in Burbank, for 46, South Ray color. Then one's in Upland available now, and here. Then we're gonna review the order, and I'm gonna click on the details here. So only the Model 3 performance included with the Model Y. The paint we still get charged for 2,000, and the interior color is still 1,000. Even we added the full self-driving there. So in the end, the new price for this will be 62,000 minus that. You add that, it'll be 54,000 something, right? Or 56,000 after the federal tax credit. And here is where we're gonna go inside, and we're gonna click on the financing, and we're gonna actually validate to see if it is the case. So as you can see here, this is something new that just popped up. Before they didn't have this. Before the default was like 720 plus. So, and this is the promotion. So basically, I think this is probably being financed straight with Tesla. That's why the interest rate is 1.99%. A couple months ago, they had a really great promotion as well of 0.99%. I'm not sure if any of you guys took advantage of that one. But if we click on here and we see this one right here, right now, excellent 722 20 plus credit score would get you about 6.29%. And that's with the $4,000 down in about 60 months. Let's see if we play with the months term wise, it does increase the APR. So the longer the period, the more APR you will be paying. So it increased to 7.34. But 72 months, it's the same. Actually, no, it's a little bit more. No, same, right? No, a little bit more. This is 60. Yeah, it's the same, 6.29. Let's see here, it's about 6.29. So even if you have like not as good credit from 680 to 720, and if you go with the 60 months like usually standard, is 8.55%. So making your payment about $1,200 a month, that's pretty high. And if let's say if you just have good credit score, it's 9.55%. And if you have fair or less than 640, is almost 11.54%. Okay, so in this case, Tesla does give you that, and it would decrease your monthly payment big time. And it tells you right here after the federal tax credit, you're looking at about $825 a month with the $1,300 for destination fees. Right, so yeah, it is. So they do have it, but like again, nowhere on here that's mentioned anything regarding about the 3 months free of supercharging. Because I think before when I bought my vehicle, it stayed somewhere on here on the website. We can see it, you know, but here we don't know. So free paint on the Model 3 Performance, yes, it is correct on the color and the seating, the inside interior for the Model 3. So now let's go on to the Model X and check to see if it gives us free seating, right? So only way to find out. Model X right here, you can see, don't want that one. It's $79,999. So this is all-wheel drive. So for this one to qualify for the federal $7,500 tax credit, it has to be under that price, $80,000, right? So that's why it's like that. And if you're gonna get the Plaid, it off the back, you know, you're rich. You don't need no tax credit, tax incentive. So we go here. Let's say we're gonna add in like the most expensive color, right? 2,500. Do the ultra. This is new color, lunar silver. Okay, try that one. And the 21 inches plus quite a bit. Right. So let's see. It says included. It's not. Now as you can see here, the 5 seats is included, the 6 is 6,500, and the 7 is 35. So we go with the seats, 6, and then we go all the way in, and then we're gonna add it. Well, maybe we have to add full self-driving first, right? But if you add the full self-driving and you see that on the bottom here, it doesn't have the 7,500 tax credit. Like this one right here, it says right here to help qualify as EV credit. Where did it go? It's gone. So something is not right. So let's say we go all the way to here, and we're gonna do show the details. So 79,000 plus 2,500 plus 8,000 brings the vehicle to over $90,000. Over 80,000, 79,000, $80,000 cap limit. Therefore, you only see the gas savings right here. We don't see any more 7,500. So in the end, overall, you're going to be paying about 92,000. Let's see if you were to finance it, and let's see what the terms are. See, on like this one right here, it doesn't have promotional. So I think the promotion is only for the Model Y. So maybe they have a lot of Model Y in stocks that they want to get rid of. Who knows, right? But again, so we do not see that. So let's say if you go back and we edit the design a little bit, let's put on like just the regular included color, stealth gray. We keep everything to the way it is, right? And so we're gonna put back over here. There we go. Okay, so everything basic, then yes. But if you add, let's say the seating, let's say it's included. Oh, it is included. Check this out, included right there. Included. Well, let's say here. That is weird. So let's see if we see the tax credit. Oh, there we go. Tax credit. That is weird. Now it shows up. So if you look at the price right here, 79,000. The included color is free, included, and the 6-seat interior is included. Steering wheel, like the full self-driving, is 8,000, and it comes out to be $87,990. But how? Why? How? And how is it qualified if it past 80,000? Unless something changed, right? So if you add this together, at the gas savings 6,500, right? You're gonna get about what, $80,000. That's after the 7,500 tax credit. I don't get it. Maybe something changed, you guys. Maybe if you know, let me know. But we go according what it says here. It says this vehicle does qualify even though the price is over $80,000, right? But this is the case where it is true whether the interior seating is included. So, but however, I thought this would be coming to 0.2 to make it under 79,000 for it to qualify for 7,500, right? But somehow it doesn't seem the case. Really weird. So, but if I add like the different color, then it won't. Would it? Look, 2,500. Now the seating still shows included, but then the tax credit is gone. So let's see, instead of that color, let's try white color. See if it's still there. No, it's gone. What is weird? Okay, so it just go back to this color, and then it's there. So, well, so let's check out. So I don't know. So maybe we need to dig more about maybe the new EV credit, something they increased it to, instead of 80,000, maybe now it's 90,000. Who knows? But yeah, as far as you buying a vehicle, just make sure you take snapshots or pictures of it, whatever it tells you is qualified. So that way, by the time that you go pick up your vehicle, or by the time you do anything, you have proof that, hey, you know what, I bought the vehicle with the intention of being qualified for that federal tax credit, and now it doesn't. So, but other than that, yeah, this is good information, guys. So if you guys like the video, feel free to give it a like, and if you love the content, make sure you subscribe for more. Other than that, thank you for watching. Be safe. Till next time.